Tarisa Resort and Spa is a 3-star hotel located in the northern part of Mauritius. The resort is situated approximately 65 kilometers from the airport and about 20 kilometers from Port Louis, making it easily accessible for travelers. One of the highlights of this property is its direct access to a beautiful white sand beach where we can witness truly stunning sunsets. The resort features a total of 75 rooms spread across 3 categories: superior, family, and suite. The superior rooms come in different sizes. Around 57 of these rooms are approximately 400 square feet, while the rest are slightly more spacious at around 450 square feet. All superior rooms can accommodate up to 3 adults and offer either a pool, sea, or garden view depending on the specific type we choose. The family rooms feature an extra room and offer a spacious area of about 540 square feet. These rooms can accommodate up to 4 adults and typically provide either a sea view or a pool view. The rooms were well maintained and comfortable, making the stay pleasant overall. The resort houses 2 restaurants on the property. Indigo is the multi-cuisine restaurant where the breakfast buffet is served, and it has a seating capacity of 180 guests. The breakfast buffet was average and could definitely be improved. Tandoor is the Indian cuisine restaurant open for lunch and dinner. They serve authentic Indian food, and the dishes here were quite delicious, especially for those craving familiar Indian flavors. It has a seating capacity of 80 guests. Since there are no restaurants within walking distance nearby, we need to rely on the resort's dining options during our stay. The resort offers a variety of activities, both complimentary and paid. Complimentary activities include kayaking, paddle boating, glass bottom boat trips, and even snorkeling equipment. For those looking for more adventure, paid water sports such as scuba diving, parasailing, and water skiing are also available. In addition, guests can also enjoy several outdoor games like mini golf, volleyball, tennis, and more. To keep guests engaged, the resort also organizes daily activities such as DJ nights, bingo, karaoke, and other entertainment activities. The hospitality across the resort was good, with staff being helpful and welcoming throughout the stay. This resort is particularly popular among Indian tourists thanks to its hospitality and dining options. Overall, Tarisa Resort and Spa is a great value for money option if you're visiting Mauritius, especially if your itinerary includes daily local sightseeing and if you're looking for a comfortable and convenient stay.